guys, we have arrived at Mr. Charlie's. Oh my God. Oh my freaking God. I just bit into the freaking burger. I do want to say that the nuggets is smacking. You would never think that they was vegan. Yeah, so I don't know why it looks super zoomed in like this. It is zoomed in, damn. Y'all all up in my face fat. But anyways, we are on La Brea in Los Angeles, and we have again just arrived to Mr. Charlie's, and I'm super excited about it, and I hope that it's as good as they claim it is.
I'll put it to y'all go so I can get a clear light.
Alright, so what if they was closed today? So Mr. Charlie's LA, la, we're open. And then it says turn that frown upside down. Mr. Charlie's. Huh? Oh wow. So thumbnail.
Getting them on a TikTok video and putting the burgers together and putting the cinnamon on this. On mine, I don't have it there. Does it come with ketchup too? Ketchup for the fries? Cheeseburger. Okay. Thank you. How do we open this? Right there. Oh, okay. Thank you. Gotcha.
McCharlie's. Have it your way. Oh no, wait, that's Burger King.
The vegan McDonald's.
Period. About to get into these burgers and see what it do. Hold on. Not really anywhere that I can sit you guys, but really I do want to say that the nuggets is smacking. You would never think that they was vegan.
Yeah, you wouldn't.
I can't wait to taste the burger.
I know.
Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. I just bit into the freaking burger. The not a cheeseburger. Hella good. Something just fell. That something was mustard. It is so good. Yeah, it's good. It's almost like you can tell that it's vegan a little bit, but it's not nasty vegan. It's like, it's good and you're still eating healthy, you know, type feeling. So it's like you deal with the little, I would say 5% that gives you vegan, you know, so it's all worth it. The cheese is vegan also, and it's not nasty. It's good. Vegan cheese is gross. I couldn't eat all of it because I'm getting like hella full. So if you look in my box, you'll see that I have a nugget left, some fries, and then as you've seen right here, a burger. I get full extremely fast, so I'll probably be hungry for probably like 30 minutes, and I won't eat it because I can't eat food that's left over, pretty much. Mr. Charlie's is good to me. I like it. Will I come get it again? Just to be like, oh, I'm going to eat Mr. Charlie's? I highly doubt it. But is it good? If you're on the health journey and you're trying to, you know, eat right and live right, definitely yes. Okay? So I'm about to go inside and open up my soda. Let me get their opinions. Where? So how do you feel about Mr. Charlie's?
It was good.
Good. How do you like the cheeseburger?
Good.
The nuggets?
I ain't gonna lie, the nuggets was the best part of the meal.
Right?
Yeah, me too.
They was
Not
like
gonna
super
lie.
seasoned.
Yeah.
Naya?
Hold on, let me fix my hair. It was good. Like, I don't eat regular beef patties at McDonald's because it makes my stomach hurt. So these was cool. I like it, but like Raquel said, the most goodest thing out of this box was the nuggets. So I think we kind of all agree that the nuggets was fire. But like I said, when you're eating healthy and it's good, you kind of, you know, take what you get, you know. And what we got, I would say, was, what would y'all rate that out of a 10? What would y'all rate it? A 7.
A 7? 7? Yeah, I say about a 7 also. Yeah. But we got 2 more people coming, my brother and my nephew, to come check out Mr. Charlie's, and then we're gonna see how they feel about it. Now that I'm done eating, I'm gonna move my chair back over here in the sun, and then, or I might just leave it over there, shit, because the sun be having me feeling some type of way. So hi. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and then I will let my brother and my nephew tell you guys how they feel about it in a minute. It do what it do, baby. And my brother and my nephew.
No problem with you, not a double cheeseburger?
Yeah, not a double cheeseburger, fool. So you start right here. Yeah.
Welcome to Mr. Charlie's Corsono. Thank you for coming and stopping by and giving us a try. I hope you are really excited about your experience and let us know how we did.
Definitely. Thank you. We loved it, by the way.
Like that, right?
Yeah, down. Shit.
I did exactly what you told me to do.
It's like, did you put it on here and you just go down?
They have the machine. It's out of order right now, but you guys get the point. And then they sell merch upstairs.
Oh yeah. Huh. Tell me those is not nuggets. Yeah. She scared the hell out of me. This robot is on its way to a delivery, you guys. It's on a freaking delivery. Oh my God. It says on a delivery. Oh my God, that ain't crazy to y'all?
Across the street.
They was like shocked like us. That's your first time seeing that?
We have them in Miami. I've seen them a bunch.
Oh, you from Miami?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Lucky you.
Not as big as that. They're a little smaller.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, he looked both ways. And how we know it's a him?
His name is Enzo.
You see what this? That's what I had ordered, a chicken sandwich.
I'm trying to get y'all bite into it.
What the editor do?
Honey says it's a church.
That's the Potter House. T.D. Jakes' daughter. T.D. said a Potter House.
Well, you said TJ.
T.D. Jakes' daughter and her husband came to L.A. and told them how to come.
Really?
They have night service too.
It's Melrose, right?
Good.
It's right down there at that light, though.
Here comes Enzo. Here comes Enzo.
I'm pretty sure he sees us.
Down the Brea Lane. He's on a delivery.
All right, man. How was the nuggets? It was good. What would you rate them out of a 10?
Yeah, I got 2 shirts in there.
They nasty?
8.5.
Oh, 8.5? Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. That man said 8.5 for the nuggets.
Oh, you heard me?
Yeah, mama, you out here cripping?
Put up beef cake.
Huh? You trying to toast?
Down here where they be wearing the blue
Alright. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Alright, thank you. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Huh? It's okay, because you don't got nothing to write it down with. Alright, thanks. And there's McDonald's.
It look like a bank or something. I don't know.
Yeah, it probably used to be.